Unlocking stock market success. Hey there, fellow investors. Are you ready to take your stock market game to the next level? If you've ever wondered how experienced investors seem to nail those winning stocks, you are in for a treat. Welcome to our YouTube masterclass on the ultimate guide to mastering fundamental analysis of stocks. In today's fast-paced financial world, making smart investment decisions requires more than just a gut feeling. It's all about understanding the core of a company's value, and that's where fundamental analysis steps in. Imagine you're peeling back the layers of an onion to uncover its core. Well, that's exactly what fundamental analysis does for stocks. It's like a behind-the-scenes tour that reveals a company's financial health, management prowess, industry trends, and economic factors. Now, let's break it down step by step. We'll show you how to gather the essential data needed to make those savvy investment decisions. You'll learn to decipher financial statements like a pro, income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Plus, we'll delve into financial ratios that help you compare a company's performance to industry benchmarks. But it's not just numbers. We'll explore the art of assessing company management, from leadership vision to corporate governance. You'll discover how crucial management quality is in determining a company's potential. Ever heard of industry and market trends? We'll show you how to analyze those for insights into a company's position. And let's not forget macroeconomic factors. We'll explain how interest rates, inflation, and economic indicators can impact your investments. But wait, there's more. We'll guide you through SWOT analysis, uncovering strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that can influence a company's performance. And for all the thrill seekers out there, we've got you covered with tips on predicting future earnings and valuation techniques. Remember, it's not just about the present. We'll equip you with tools to predict where a company might be headed. But what about the pitfalls? Don't worry, we've got the scoop on common mistakes to avoid. And we'll help you stay updated with market news, events, and those all-important quarterly earnings reports. So, if you're looking to unlock the secrets behind successful investing, this guide is your golden ticket. Get ready to take control of your investment journey. It's time to dive into the world of stocks with our ultimate guide to mastering fundamental analysis of stocks. Let's make those investments so. Until next time, happy investing. Thanks for watching.